Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. Today, I will show you how to link your Instagram account to your Discord account. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Now, let's open Discord application and sign into your account. Navigate to the bottom left of your screen. Click on User Settings. Inside User Settings, you'll find various options. Look for Connections and click on it. Here, under Add Accounts to your profile, locate the Instagram icon. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down or click More. Once you find the Instagram icon, click on it. This action will open a new tab in your browser. From there, you can sign into your Instagram account. Once signed in, your Instagram and Discord accounts will be linked automatically. Now you can use them simultaneously. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.